athi nginibingelele nje bafowethu kuyi-Friday ilanga liyoshona. I-Friday enhle nje. Bafowethu ngithi bengithi ngizothula nje yazi kulezi insuku bengithi ukuphuma kancane kule ndaba mara kunzima ke bafowethu nokuthula ngoba inkinga enkulu esibhekane nayo bafowethu kakhulu manje isimo siya ngokuya siba worse kuba nzima kakhulu bafethu. Umuntu ongaboni kulungile lo khetha ukuthi angaboni abe ignorant bafethu. Le ndaba yama illegal foreigners la eMzansi iya ngokuya iyashuka, abanye bayothi bayibheka sekonakele sekushube kakhulu bafethu. Nginenkinga nje eyi-one, bengibuka enye ivideo kaMalema nje manje like mhlawumbe benginika isikhathi ngambheka. UMalema ukhuluma into ebuhlungu kakhulu bafethu. UMalema leya ndoda bengithemba kakhulu, bengithi indoda nje eyosikhulula ngelinye ilanga like UMalema. I know there's something wrong about uMalema bafethu. Ngathi khona into e-wrong ayidlile or ayidlayo. uMalema bafethu ume ngale kulabantu laba bokuhamba abala ngokungemthetho, hayi mfethu uyabavuna uthi impela yena uyofa nabo. So ke uMalema right bafethu, right kakhulu uMalema ngokuphumela obala. uSomizi ke wayenza lento bafethu. uSomizi waphumela obala ukuthi yena uyabenefita kulabantu laba bokufika abala abangenamaphepha, because uSomizi shuthi yena akafuna ukubhadala abantu bala eMzansi. Akusho ukuthi akunamuntu wala eMzansi ongekawenza umsebenzi wokucleana ijaridi. Thina sikhule sisebenza emajaridini singaklina, but uSomizi ufuna laba azohlala ngabo abanikeze lo 2 rand abanika wona, bamwashele yonke into yakhe le abanike lawo. Akafuni laba abala eMzansi, because abala eMzansi guys, thina we are not slaves. We South Africans, we are not slaves, we are free. So uSomizi they want ama-slaves, abantu abazobenza noma yini. Thina we are free guys, we've got freedom. Sesaphume emabhandeni okuba ama-slaves. So uSomizi yena ufuna sibuyele back kuma-slaves. Lasho khona yena akushilo aphumule bathi uyabenefit, but uMzansi yiwo obuseka uSomizi azafike la bekhona. But namhlanje uSomizi ubonga ngalo iplate lamasimba, uthi nalike iplate engibonga ngalo. So ke noMalema right guys, mayethi one day foreigners they are gonna be our employers. Right uMalema, cause uyena owavikelile lama illegal foreigners ukuthi abe la. Uyena uMalema otshele ukuthi thina Nigerians are South Africa, South Africans are Nigerians. Uyena uMalema kwenzile as a leader ye-EFF. I-EFF guys, umuntu osavotela i-EFF mina bafethu angazi ukuthi unjani. Yabona nje le genge le ye-EFF guys ne-ANC ayibafana mina ayibafana ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani bafethu. Bafethu sithwele kanzima ilezi inhlangano zenu nje ezimbili. Ngiyakubona lokhu kunye bafethu, EFF ne-ANC bafethu anisithwalise kanzima. I-ANC ke mfethu ijoka senze yalibeka from 1994. Lokhu ilibekile sengize ngaba mdala, sengize ngiyaguga ngiyoba likhehla, lokhu ijoka lihlezi ANC libekile kithi. So bafethu kubhlungu oMalema mabesitshela thina siyosebenzela ama-foreign, ngoba vele ama-Nigeria nikeza abantwana bethu ama-drugs ukuthi thina South Africa isizwe bafethu esingenawo intsha, isizwe esingenayo i-youth, esingenabo abantwana, leso sizwe sifile. So uma beqeda ngalabantwana laba vele ayisekho i-generation enye. Then Nigerians they will come down from the west beze la eSouth Africa bezothatha, already sebethathile over amanye ama-provinces wethu. That's why uthola kuyaliwe kwezinye indawo. Bengibuka enye ivideo bedubulana belwa beshana lapha eCape Town guys, kunzima. oMalema bathulile, uqathu uzositshela sisebenzela labantu, mara why uMalema azizwisa ubuhlungu kanje soMzansi besimkhonzile. Ingiphathe kabi kakhulu guys indaba kaMalema. I think yiyo engenze le video. Bengafuna ukwenza video kodwa nje bafethu nami bengithi angiphefumule nje ukuthi siyabonga Mr Malema, siyabonga Silo, siyabonga kakhulu bhuti.
Hello South African brothers and sisters. South Africans, your Julius Malema continues to speak good for foreigners. He continues to speak on behalf of foreigners. He continues to protect foreigners. He continues to serve them. He continues to side with them. But he forget that it is South Africans who put him up there. It is South Africans who elevated him into wherever he is. He forget that it is South Africans on the ground who played a biggest part in the life he has today. He protects foreigners. He says they are not taking South Africans' jobs. Why? I don't understand this. He says they are not taking people's jobs. For example, in our farms, in our factories, in our many working areas, there are these foreigners who are working them. They work there. Especially in our farms, there are many foreigners who work there. So South Africans have no spaces in our farms because these foreigners are the ones who work there, and the farmers likes them just because they pay them a low salary. And these foreigners have no problem with earning a low salary because when they convert our currency into theirs, it becomes a lot of money in their countries. They are able to do whatever they want to do. They are satisfied with this low salary. That is why our farmers are employing them. So are not they taking our jobs? Because wherever they are working, the positions they have occupied in the working areas as were supposed to have occupied by South Africans. So when he says they are not taking people's jobs, I don't understand it. He's missing a point. He's protecting them. He likes them. He must go to be a politician in Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and everywhere, so that he can serve them very well in their own countries and leave us South Africans here in South Africa to do things our own way. Malema forget that he can disappear to obscurity anytime. He forget himself. He forget what is his purpose. A purpose of any politician in a country is to serve the people, is to do good for the people, is to bring changes. So when you protect foreigners and say they must be documented, even when they are illegal here in the country, they must be documented to stay here in South Africa. That means more and more of them will come to be documented in South Africa. They will come to stay in South Africa. They will call each other, come, don't worry, we are safe now. They document us and they will come to be here. And when they come here, they want to survive. They want to run business. There's no space of running business in our towns because they've occupied all the spaces. The workers are Zimbabweans and Mozambicans, no South Africans. It's just a few of them. Even if you want to run a small business in a town, you won't be able to run your business because there are no spaces. These people have occupied spaces. They are many here in South Africa. I don't think Julius Malema is even following the South African Police Service Facebook page to see what they do in South Africa. They bring a lot of dangerous weapons into this country, and obviously they've got a mission that they are coming to accomplish. They cannot just bring these dangerous weapons without any purpose. We have some foolish leaders, politicians in South Africa who have nothing to do with South Africans. You listen to them. Even when they blame them, they continue to speak in favor of these illegal immigrants in our country. They continue to side with them, protect them. They must go to Zimbabwe and become politicians there and change the country and bring the good in that country because they love these people. All of them. Malema and your president Ramaphosa must go there to become leaders there. Maybe they can do better than the politicians of Zimbabwe because they are speaking in favor of them. They are protecting them. They are doing everything good for them. So they must go there to be voted there and become politicians there. It will be good rather than bothering us here with their attitude. Amen. See you in my next video.
Yazi kukhona something esingayinakile mayelana nendaba yama-illegal immigrants. Yabo. Thina-ke singasola bona sithi hey bayadelela, basicwenza, abasihloniphi, abasiboni, inani bangena bezogcwala la benza into zabo, benza amasimba abo, bedayisa ama-drugs, bedayisa iy'mpahla ey'bolile, iy'mpahla eziyifake, inani. Nazi bafethu ukuthi labantu njengoba bela It's a business deal. Yes, a profit business. Kwenziwa imali njalo ngokuba khona kwalabantu laba. Kwenziwa imali. Illegal immigration eMzansi is a business. Kushawa imali la. Kukhona abantu abagayinayo and kugayina wonke umuntu o-involved except the legal citizens of this country. Yes. Ngiqale nje ngamaSomalia namaTopiya. Kunombiko othi amaSomalia namaTopiya njengoba bela angithi mabefika la bangena nge-asylum. Bathini? Bathi kunezimpi emazweni abo. Ake ngivule nayi fan kuyashisa bakwethu. Yeah. So labantu labangena nge-asylum bathini? Bathi kunezimpi le emazweni abo. So bezalana ngoba bebalekela izimpi. Bazofuna indawo yokukhosela. Manje bakhosela kanjani ngezitolo? Izitolo emakhaya naselokishini bakhosela kanjani ngezitolo? Ungafika uthi ubaleka ezweni lakho bese uzovula isitolo la, usithatha imali uyithatha imali ukuvula isitolo. Uyithatha phi imali yokustoka? Ubaleka ezweni lakho uyaliwa. Uzocasha. Kodwa uzocasha uzoshaya ibhizinisi nemali. Yabona amaSomalia namaTopiya bafethu kunombiko la othi bathunywe iziphathimandla zabo ukuthi bezokwenzani la, ukuthi bezovula izitolo la, bevule ipaza shop emalokishini nasemakhaya because bayazi ukuthi thina ama-South Africans singama-consumers too much. Asifuni ukukhiqiza, asifuni ukusebenza, sifuna nje ukuthenga, sifuna nje ukukhangeza, yabo. So bayazi bona ukuthi la South Africa singama-consumer alaba-serious. So bona bathunyiwe izikhulu zabo ukuthi bezovula izitolo la ukuze benze ini? I-profit, unregulated profit. I-profit engadluli kwa-SARS because labantu i-tax abayikhokhi, yabo. So njengoba i-currency yabo encane, le mali abayenza la inkulu ifika isiyindodla le emuva. So labantu bathunywe abaphathi babo ukuthi bezodayisa la benze imali, right? Bese siza kuma-Nigerian. Ama-Nigerian nawo same thing. Aphethwe abantu abathile. Yes. Can be eNigeria noma la or worldwide because ama-Nigerians agcwele worldwide futhi ashaya ibhizinisi elilodwa worldwide. Aphethwe. So labantu bathunyiwe njengoba bela. Bathunyelwe la uzokwenzani? Uzodayisa ama-drugs, i-prostitution, i-trafficking. Yabona nje izinto ey'ningi ey'bhedayo. Kanye nemithi-ke nokuthakatha-ke because ama-Nigerian into ayenzayo afika la, afika adidisa osisi bethu ngale mithi yabo le, badideka osisi bethu bebanikeza imali. Njengoba uhlezwe ukuzwa kuthiwa kancane kancane iNigeria liskeme usibanibani u-5 million, liskeme usibanibani u-7 million nani. Abantu besifazane bayancishana. Kodwa laba nje abavele nje bepha umuntu nje amamiliyoni kalula kanjalo umuthi lo. So labantu basebenzisa imithi labantu laba. Yes. So njengoba benza yonke le mgilingwane nabo bathunyiwe nabo ukuthi bezoshaya imali eSouth Africa because singama-consumer amakhulu eSouth Africa. We are the biggest consumers in Africa. Bayazi ukuthi la asifuni ukukhiqiza, sifuna ukukhonzuma kuphela, siyathenga, yabo. Sithanda ukuthenga, we are too materialistic, yabo. Sithanda ukuchoma futhi, yabo. So they know. So bayathunywa-ke ukuthi beze la bezoshaya ibhizinisi la ukuze benze imali and bayayenza. Bese ngiza kuma-Pakistan nama-Afghan. Ama-Pakistani nama-Afghan wona athunyiwe nawo ukuthi ezodayisa iy'mpahla zabo la. Lezi iy'mpahla bayidayisa la ama-reject, yazi, ama-reject ase-Asia lawo. Bona le-Asia banazo iy'mpahla nje ezonqo ezisebenzisa bese bethatha ama-reject bewelisa ulwandle ezodayiswa la e-South Africa. So nje ama-Pakistani ehlezi niwabona nje bafethu edayisa ama-TV inani enama-brand engaqondakali, ama-reject lawo asuka le kuzani e-Middle East or e-Asia. Yes. Ama-reject iy'mpahla ey'lahliwe bese bey'thatha beyiletha la ukuze bezoshaya imali extra ngoba kwazona lezo y'mpahla imali yakhona ayi-taxwa, ayi-regulate-wa leyo profit yakhona. Ngithi yabo bathunywe izikhulu zabo. Bese ngiza-ke kuma-Zimbabwe nama-Mozambican. Labo-ke inhloso yabo kuzokwenzani? Ukuzokwandisa isibalo. Yes. Ukuzokwandisa isibalo sokunyusa amathuba okuthola ini? Amavoti. That is why amaqembu epolitiki bewavikela kangaka amazayizayi angekho emthethweni, njengawo nje amaZimbabwe nama-Mozambican okuyibona abaningi la. Yes. Because bazokwenzani, bazo-add amavoti. And number 2, ibona futhi abathunywayo ukuthi kwenziwe imigilingwane la, kushaya ama-process, kuphushwe iy'nombolo, ngoba kwisystem abekho, abarekhodiwe, iy'thupha zabo azaziwa. So kusetshenziswa bona ukuthi kwenziwe imigilingwane la, kushawe iy'mali la, klinwe iy'mali, yabo. Kusetshenziswa bona ukuklina imali, ukwenza imali and everything. So bonke la bantu bathunyiwe, Nigerians, Somalis, Ethiopians, ama-Pakistan, ama-Afghani, Mozambicans and Zimbabweans bathunyiwe labo bantu ukuthi bezosebenza la. And uma befika la benza ama-deal nama-agreement with government officials, including your favorite politicians. Kwenziwa ama-agreement nama-deal nabo, yes, ukuze bezobhenefitha bobabili. So amazayizayi nama-officials ethu bayabhenefitha la. And on whose loss? On our loss as citizens. On the loss of South African citizens. Yes, bayagaina bona. Bagaina ngani? Ngegazi lethu. Angithi uyabona ukuthi illegal immigration eSouth Africa ayilona iphutha, iyinhloso, into eplaniwe le ukuze kushawe imali. Awuyibuze lokhu, indaba iphara lingaboshwa. Uyazi ukuthi iphara liboshwa, aliboshwa ngephara. Iphara aliboshwa, alithetha icala, aligwetshwa. Why? Because mawubopha iphara ubopha i-customer elikhulu. Yes. Mawubopha iphara ibhizinisi lewungaliyawa uphansi. Angithi yabo. So that's why iphara lingaboshwa, because uwisa ibhizinisi. So njengoba iphara liprotectwa i-state nani, seku-obvious ukuthi obani ababhenefitha kuleli bhizinisi lewunga. Ngeke ngilibeke ngembaba, kodwa obvious. Yes, kuyaphinda futhi njengoba amaphara nje engaboshwe, lokho kusho ukuthini? A-protectwe yi-state somehow. Yes, a-protectwe yi-state. Njengoba e-protectwe, lokho kusho ukuthi leli bhizinisi li-involve abantu abathile esingesibasho ngegama. Li-involve abantu abathile leli bhizinisi leli. That's why amaphara e-protectwa. That's why kungenziwa lutho ngewunga, because iwunga nje bathi ayindawo, akwenziwa ama-raid, akuboshwa umuntu, lokhu lihambile nje ibhizinisi. So it's obvious ukuthi obani abagainayo kuleli bhizinisi. It's quite obvious. Kubizwa ama-Nigerian nanku ne-gang ifike izowenzani, izoletha iy'mpahla la idayisa. Njengoba idayisa lezi iy'mpahla ama-Nigerian abayidayiseli bona bodwa, badayisela nabo labo bantu laba abagainayo from it. Njengoba amaphara engaboshwa. Akuzuyabona-ke ukuthi ihamba kanjani lento, ukuthi illegal immigration is a business la eMzansi, business. Kushawa imali la, kushawa imali, kwandisa namathuba amavoti. Yabo. So nje lento illegal immigration into yebomu, into eplaniwe. Yabo. Because makuthiwa bethu i-state sethu se-serious, bengenza nje into elula kabi, kuqiniswe amabhoda, kuhambe kuthungathwa abantu, bekuseshwa abantu, beboshwe, beqeda ukuboshwa bedeportwe. Into nje elula kabi, elula, easy, kodwa akwenzeki and akwenziwa. Why? Because uma kwadeport amazayizayi ayawa amabhizinisi abantu, ayawa phansi. Namabhizinisi lawa shade nawo ayawa, baphelelwa imali. Iy'nkampani ey'nkulu ikakhulukazi ama-constructions baqasha bona labantu bangaphandle. Why? Because bajabulela ngisho 1,000 rand ngoba phela irandi la South Africa li-strong kune-currency yabo. So 1,000 mkhulu ukubona. So nje la iy'nkampani ziqasha labantu because balindele ini? Balindele iholo elincane, bajabulela iholo elincane. So abafuni ukukhokha. That's why beqasha bona labantu bangaphandle, benganiqashi mina, beqasha abantu bangaphandle. Abafuni ukukhokha. So this is why the illegal immigrants are protected. Because bazofakela abantu abathile imali la and bayishaya kabi. Yes, people you trust, your favorite politicians, government officials, they make deals with them, they make agreements with them. Bese bethola ishare, bese kushawa lento ivala mlomo. Shawa ibhizinisi, ngena imali, vala umlomo wakho. So nje bafethu lento yama-illegal immigrants nje into yamabomu eplaniwe, into nje ehleliwe yabo. It's a business deal yabo. Kubenefitha iy'phathimandla ezibathumile ney'phathimandla zethu ziyagaina from all this shit. Ngiyabona nje. So that's why nje i-state singenzi lutho about the-illegal immigration issue. Lokhu kusukuma abantu, kusukuma ama-citizens, kusukuma ophakela umthakatho, oJacinda nani nani, but the state no. Amaphoyisa enze njani? Adubulala abantu abamashayo, yezwa, athekha bona esikhundleni sokuthi ba-athekhe nazi iy'phula-mthetho ey'ngene ezweni ngokungemthetho, kodwa bese athekha laba abalokhuzana abamashayo. Why? Sibuza ukuthi why? Because the illegal immigrants are protected because they are here to make money for certain people, for certain powerful people. Kuzoshaya ibhizinisi ngabo la, yezwa. Uma bexoshwa ukuwa kwey'nkampani ey'thile, ukuwa kwamabhizinisi athile. So into yebomu le. So into engizama ukuyisho la ukuthi it will take more than amamashi ukuxosha labantu, because amamashi awabaxoshi. Amamashi ayabahlehlisa bekwezinye iy'ndawo noma bejeke isikhashana lapho bese beyabuya la baxoshwe khona. So nje lutho, there will be no deportation nje edalwa imatch khohlwa, because imatch nje iyabahlehlisa bekwezinye iy'ndawo bephinde bebuye. So it will take more than imash ukuthi labantu behambe yabo. So the issue is not amazayizayi, cha, the issue is the administration yala eMzansi, the system, the administrative system yala eMzansi. Yiyo le inkinga, yiyo le lesifakela abantu la yabo. So nje njengoba nithagetha ama-illegal immigrants, nithagetha abantu aba-wrong, ukuthi afanele niyayithagetha yini? I-administration system yala eMzansi yabo, because yiyo le engenisa la bantu bese iyaba-protect, because bazokwenza imali la, kuzoshaywa imali, kuzoshaywa ama-profit la, njengoba wona amasomala namatopiya la adayisa ey'tolo engayikhokhi i-tax yabo. Yonke le profit le ayiyi kubona, iya kuy'phathimandla zabo lezi ey'bathumile ukuthi bezosebenza la, yabo. So le nto le, it's a business yabo, and it will take hard work to get rid of them. Imashi le ayizukwenza lutho, ukudala i-chaos nje, i-chaos yokuthi nje qhuqhwa isikhathi. That's it. This is much deeper than you think.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are shocked ngemva kokuthi uMalema kwende kucace ukuthi ama-foreigners aduzane kakhulu nenhliziyo yakhe, uyawathanza bo-brother bakhe nabo-sister bakhe, and people are saying ukuthi they had so much hope Nkosi yami nguMalema. People are saying ukuthi hey, bese kubona ungalishintsha lelive, but hey, usiphocile. People are saying ukuthi waze wasimangalisa Malema ukuthi wadefenda kangaka ama-foreigners. Uma kwende njani? Can't you see ukuthi labantu balimosha live lethu? And the last guy was speaking ngenzabe ukuthi there are people who are benefiting kwindzaba yama-foreign, as much as labanye abantu bahlupheka babathengisela tidzakamiva and stuff. Kunebantu who are benefiting from ama-foreigners, and they will never say ukuthi abahambe. They will always defend them because they know ukuthi badla khona. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.